It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 83. What is the value of limit as x approaches 0 from left-hand side? 1 over f prime x. Okay, as x approaches 0 from left-hand side, then what about f prime x? What happens to the slope? So as x approaches 0 from left-hand side, look at this slope right here. At this point, slope is approximately positive 1, positive 1/2, 1/3, 1/10. It approaches 0, right? So slope approaches 0. Does that make sense? Then what about 1 over f prime x? 1 over f prime x. This value right here, the slope value right here, it is 0.1, 0.01. It approaches 0 from positive value. Remember, positive 1, positive 1/2, positive 1/3, positive 0.1, positive 0.01. Did I say that? So it approaches 0 from positive values, these values, right? Then what happens to 1 over f prime x? 1 over 0.1, that's 10, right? 1 over 0.01, that's 100. 1 over 0.001, that's 1,000, right? So as f prime approaches 0 from positive value, then 1 over f prime x approaches infinity. It increases with a bond, right? So it approaches positive infinity. So this is the answer for this limit.